Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Friday Charity TV. I greet you all with your time. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so whenever I upload video, you will be notified if you have subscribed already. God bless you. My people, another story don't come again. Una not say anything, just the waka fiu. I go constantly sit down, can't shook my mouth put. My people, now that story of our Edo, they say there be Edo people here, all of us now one, whether Edo, Yoruba, or Esan, or Hausa, or Ijo, or Shekiri, or all the tribes, everybody now one. We do a marriage, I think 3 days ago, where the matter just they work out for social media since. I don't already put the ordinary video for my wall. I say, okay, make I come sit down, come shook my mouth. Not me start the matter, so now waiting they work out few. Now I come sit down, come talk. So Mona not say Charity don't start again or Charity don't still talk. No be me publish the, not be me be first person wey publish the video for social media. Now social media I for still carry. Now I put am. Not be me video then. So Mona not say Charity don't start. So this couple, like seriously, like really, una no hear wetin dey go on now. Una no hear marriage dey run. Marriage dey run. The time when people they marry, na no go marry oh. Now una wan come the hurry. If you see the marriage set, they no even settle. The woman no settle. She was not happy at all. If you now look that video where that woman not dey happy at all, even the man. Now so they just the waka yanga. They no even settle. Come out to snap picture, they no snap. As this kind of thing don't come up, baby, I understand. Maybe una don't already arrange, una don't buy things, una don't invite people, but this thing na matter of life. Like they talk about here. Nobody plan for this thing when come out so. Nobody plan for it when they will say, okay, this kind of thing will come out so time. May we just wait. First, nobody plan for it, but as the thing just come unexpectedly, everybody go obey the law. Una go obey the law. If the people wey go say una get mind though, they say no gathering for now. Una get mind. Me say for me to even come and go buy something for supermarket, they hard me. I know lie, because everywhere dry. Everywhere dry. They won't even try. See, I want just go buy small thing because I don't even fair do shopping for house. Just small quick thing. Where be say the thing thirsty finish 1 or 2 things. I'll say make I just come as I go buy. I know the feel go. The day when I try, I don't come his house back. I reach road, I turn back. I reach his house, they ask me say, you not go again. I say, I not fit, the street too dry. Now I person go come tell me, say, make me come in marriage. Sister, hey, wait, after this thing done over, I will come visit you after your marriage, or after your birthday, or after any celebration you want to celebrate. I know say marriage na good thing, na better thing. I'm not there against say una marry or not. But as this thing they go on, una go obey them. Una go obey them. They even say fine day for the person to pay and the person will go prison for 3 months. Okay, now inside prison now one for go do honeymoon. Now inside prison, marriage no dey run. The man wan run. The man wan run. Now this one they talk about. After women don't do they follow men. Tomorrow now they'll go come and say the man leave them or the man no good. The man do this one. When the man already say you the woman, you be desperado. You are just desperate to get married. I'm not just to use this thing they talk to only these couples who are newly married. So and they use and talk to everybody out there. So women they just desperate to just marry. Waiting. Now all these things men they see for women, they don't see the desperation and all that. Now the woman go they spend money, now go they train the man, they do everything. The man go see you finish. The man go see you finish. Marriage no they run. Marriage no they run. Una for wait, nothing will come when no they go. Una for wait. After this thing go, una settle down, do una wedding. Una go even enjoy that. This one una do. So for me, not be wedding, no. Not be wedding. Una no even smile. Una no even settle. Na so una dey waka up and down. Eh? Which kind wedding can be that one? Which kind wedding can be that one, Kwani? Which kind marriage can be that one? If Italians start now, they go say Italians don't start. They be racist. They not like black. They do this. They do that. Italy is one of the best country where I don't ever see. Italy now one of the best country. Now if you don't know their way, now you go say Italy no good, Italy no good. If you don't understand, then now you go say Italy no good, Italy no good. If you stop it there on your lane, they do your own, they obey their laws, they don't get problem with you. They don't get problem with you. Every year say they say Mona come with just 4 people, Mona just do and collect paper, una enter us. Now so una for still join to say una no one even wait, say the marriage one wrong. Una for just still do as they tell una say Mona come with 4 people, collect paper, enter us. Una for just do like that. And everybody for there, they wear masks. The small children, they don't even wear the mask. Okay, the children don't need protection, abi. And just they look, children just they walk on pattern. You the parent, you wear mask, your pikin, it dey like that. Wait, see. Wait, see. That one too much for una abeg. That one too much. Una go fit marry anytime. If the man na your own, he go wait for you. He go wait for you. Eh? Not be your fault, you the woman, not be your fault say this kind of thing can happen. If the man can say he no go fit wait, so he must marry. Tell us, my dear, we have to wait. We have to wait. One of my friends, they get this celebration to celebrate. They don't prepare. She don't even buy things. She don't buy things, but as this thing come out, they say no gathering. She so free enter house. She so free respect herself. Enter house. She not do the ceremony, celebration, marriage, birthday, naming ceremony, baby dedication. All of them are celebration. So I know we'll talk the one where she want to do for inside. She not do the celebration when she want to celebrate again. She say make she wait after this thing. She go suffer to her in peace. Eh? She go suffer to her in peace. That is the best thing to do. So that they pursue everybody via. Mona no video, mona no camera. Which kind of unsettled marriage they be that? After marriage, you can't go as good they think your life. I see for una face that day. You guys were not happy at all. Una for avoid all these things if una know your kukuma come outside the first time. Una for just avoid that. If una know kuku come out the first time. Una for wait. Even if they say me una come with 4 people. Me person na, if I were in your shoes, if I don't even arrange for that kind of thing. Say this kind kata come dey ground. They even tell me say Charity come with just 4 people. I go tell them say I bet Mona prosper now though. Mona prosper now. For me to even come outside say go supermarket, go buy something. If they had me, now you go tell me say make me come wear gown, come stand for midst of people. By this time, when I suppose they as they pray, this time the nation needs prayer, not be all this celebration enemy. This time not be time for celebration. Yes, This one not be time for celebration. Now prayers we need now. After all this thing done over, we go celebrate all the celebrations we want to celebrate. I know they happy say at their house 247. I know they happy. All my body they pepper me. My body don't even they pay me. When I did the light down, you go eat, go kitchen, eat, sleep, do this one. As in, I don't tire. May we join hands together. May we pray. Make this thing just go. Make this thing just over. Make this nightmare go. All these Italians, Nigerians, the whole world, everybody, this thing affect them one way or the other. Even if you not be victim of the sickness, but it affects you. To stay as money tonight, no be play oh. No be play. Some people they to stay has no master them. To stay has no master them. Even some children say when they say that they go school. So then my baby you wake up now, she will just go carry her school bag. You go say you want go school. You go they cry say you want come out. You want go school. Now me go they tell her better make she wait. Eh? Where small pikin for has don't tire small pikin. What of adults? So my people, more than they use na number 6, I beg. If you dey plan to do any celebration, wait. Very soon this thing will be over. If it's over, you go do your celebration in peace. Nobody go go embarrass you. Nobody go go harass you. See the video just they go everywhere. Like say you commit crime. Like say you do bad thing. You be not do bad thing. Marriage not be bad thing. But the way you take do and be the crime when you commit. The time when you take do and now be the crime when you commit. When you be say everybody they mourn. Everybody know they happy now. Now you can't come and say now marriage. Now, see you guys in my next video. Till I come your way next time. I remain your baby girl for the charity. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned.